Russia proposes common digital currency for trade with China and India, a new era of financial cooperation? In today's blog, we are covering CBDC. During a Russian-Indian business conference in New Delhi this week, the deputy chairman of the State Duma, Alexander Babakov, suggested that Russia, China, and India should trade using a common digital currency. This proposal comes at a time when Russia faces mounting sanctions following the invasion of Ukraine, and the need for a new financial system independent of the West is becoming more apparent. The idea behind the common digital currency. Babakov emphasized the need to create new rules in the financial sphere that would enable the use of a common currency, which could be a digital ruble, digital rupee, or digital yuan. The critical aspect, according to him, is that this currency must follow the laws of the respective nations involved. He also highlighted the importance of a system that doesn't safeguard the dollar and euro but creates a new currency capable of serving the goals of the participating countries. BRICS and multinational digital currency. Russia, India, and China are part of the BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa group, which has been considering a multinational digital currency since at least 2017. Despite no significant progress on this front, the proposal for a common digital currency between Russia, China, and India could be a step in the right direction. Current CBDC progress. Russia, India, and China have all made progress in developing their central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Russia is working on a CBDC and has scheduled work on a cross-border CBDC this quarter. India is progressing with CBDC pilot work, focusing on a retail consumer-focused CBDC, a wholesale CBDC, and a cross-border CBDC with the UAE. Project M-Bridge. The UAE is a participant in Project M-Bridge, a cross-border CBDC project that includes China, Hong Kong, and Thailand, as well as the BIS. This project is more advanced than previous multinational digital currency efforts and is working towards production. The question now is whether Russia and India will join Project M-Bridge. However, political issues between India and China and the potential impact of Russia joining M-Bridge on the BIS might pose challenges. Conclusion. The proposal for a common digital currency between Russia, China, and India signifies a potential shift in the global financial landscape. While the idea has been floated before, recent geopolitical tensions and the need for a financial system independent of the West give this proposal added urgency. The success of this initiative will depend on overcoming political challenges and integrating the different CBDC efforts of these countries into a single, cohesive system. Source: LedgerInsights.com. I'm not an expert on blockchain. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money and Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.